Hi, it's Dan from Bocain Designs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an FTP account in your cPanel. So I've logged into cPanel, and one thing to note is that the order of these different panels might be different based on your cPanel install. They might have slightly different icons, slightly different options, but if you can't find what you're looking for, you can come up to the top and just type in FTP, and you can see it does a good job at narrowing it down for us. So we're going to go ahead and go to FTP Accounts. And we're going to go ahead and create our first account, and we're just going to call this my new admin. And we're going to just let the password generator do its thing, but make sure you copy paste this somewhere safe. In fact, they even have a little requirement to make sure that you've at least acknowledged that. We're going to go ahead and click use password. And then typically what I do is if this is my cPanel and I'm using the FTP account, I'm going to delete this directory, because what it did was it created a very specific folder for this FTP account to function out of. So if you connected with it, you wouldn't have full access to your cPanel. But if you delete this, we're giving this account full access to everything in the Pajamafy root directory. I'm going to give myself unlimited access in terms of how much file storage I can add, and then I'm going to go ahead and click create FTP account. So I'm done. We know the username because we made it up. The password we copied. But if we didn't remember it, here's the username. Here's an option to change the password. If we don't want unlimited anymore, here's an option to change unlimited to a more manageable number. You can also delete the FTP account. And then lastly, configure FTP client. So if we go ahead and click on configure FTP client, it'll show you how to set it up. So there's your username, there's the host or the server name, this is the port number to use, and certainly the password is whatever your password was. If you used either of these two softwares, this cPanel specifically offers a download configuration file. Not all cPanels will, but it's also not hard to copy paste this into your preferred software. That's how you create an FTP account in cPanel.